Want to get better responses on dating apps? Comment! Swiping right along with winks and hearts and stars isn't enough. You have to stand out. You have to set yourself apart from everyone else. And you just can't do it by liking or winking at someone. Most people, men and women alike, get tons of likes or winks. And if you're expecting a response, you're gonna have to step it up. I know, rejection is real and it can sting. But if you see someone special, if they wrote something that resonates with you, you've gotta say something if you're expecting to meet up. And you can't just say hi or what's up. That's not gonna cut it. If you see someone you like, make a comment mentioning something that the two of you have in common, or something that you read about in their profile and that resonates with you. And always, always, always ask a question. By asking a question, it shows you're interested in a conversation. And who knows where that conversation can lead to. Have you gotten your free dating tips on how to attract on dating apps? Go to daretodatedifferently.com and get your free tips along with 2 free checklists and start attracting your perfect match. If you're enjoying learning dating tips, please like, subscribe, follow, do all of that fun stuff. I'm here to help you.